Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't made advent calendar yet, I'm going to show you a very simple way to make one. I know it is December 1st, but it's never too late to make one, and I'm sure kids will be happy to have one. Also, this can be used as a countdown to Christmas. You just need to change up a little bit. I'll explain everything later. So I'm going to show you how I made it. I purchased 2 packages of large paint sticks. I bought them at Lowe's. They were 98 cents a piece, and there's 3 in a package. I opened them up. I laid one flat down to be the base of my tree, and then I cut each lengthwise. And good thing there is a roller, so it is easy to figure out where you want to cut it. I cut the bottom one to 14 inches and the next on top to 12 inches, and then the next one to 10, next one to 8, and the last one to 6 inches. Also, the base stick has a ruler on it, so it is easy to make sure you have the same space between the boards. Also, I cut a little piece, the leftover, to put it on a bottom later as a base. If you don't want to use painting sticks, you can definitely use a large popsicle sticks and make it smaller. Now you can glue this together, or you can do what I did. I used decorative nails to attach them to each other. I also used a little bit of glue just to make sure they are kept in place, because I realized they're moving even with the nail. Next, I will be using mini clothespins that I bought at Hobby Lobby for very inexpensive, using my 40% off coupon. And I'm gonna lay them, spacing them out evenly using the ruler that is on the board. And you can see over here on the bottom there are 7 of them, and going on towards the top there's 6, 5, 4, 2, and then on top there is 1. I'm using these Dollar Tree craft stickers to decorate the top of my advent calendar. I'm using this a glittery star. Now this is totally customizable. You can definitely paint this tree if you want. I really like the way the ruler looked like, and it helped me while I was building to everything be even. Next, I'm using this craft paper that I got from Hobby Lobby for $1, which is 25 cents a piece, and this jar lid, and I am cutting out the circle shapes, 25 of them. On the back of each circle, I'm gonna write whatever I want. As you see, family movie night, bake cookies, deliver cookies to your neighbors, pick a breakfast, pick a candy out of jar, or anything that you can think of that you want your kid to do that day. Then I'm gonna attach all of them to the board, and also using my pen, or you can use a Sharpie, on the mini clips, I'm gonna write numbers 1 through 25, going from bottom to top. And that's all that is to it. It turned out so cute. I am very, very excited to see how my kids are gonna react. Now, I mentioned you can turn this into a countdown to Christmas. You can just pick one circle or any other shape you'd like, and you can move it each day to put it on a different number as a countdown to 25. I really hope you will give this a try. It is very easy to make and it is very customizable. You can add your own touch to it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.